So if I didn't have any self-discipline issues, why was I behaving so badly when it came to weight loss? What if I told you that how you conduct your life is a reflection of what is really important to you? I started thinking about this topic when I was trying to lose weight. For anyone who knows me, I've been saying I want to lose weight for years. Instead of losing weight, I've weighed the most I've ever weighed ever since we started working from home. So, did I put in any effort to lose weight? I felt I did. I tried hiring a trainer, experimented with diet plans, and this year I even bought a bicycle. When I reflected on why I didn't lose weight despite my efforts, I realized I wasn't consistent. In fact, many times I gave up too early before I saw any results. On top of that, I have very weak discipline and still eat a lot of sinful and sugary food. This entire weight loss topic left me very intrigued at my own behaviors because I'm not like that when I work as a financial consultant. Despite being self-employed, I've been disciplined in all my tasks and always timely in fulfilling my clients' needs. On top of this, I've been consistent in managing my social media content as well as upskilling my knowledge. So if I didn't have any self-discipline issues, why was I behaving so badly when it came to weight loss? Upon reflection, I concluded that I want to look slim, but weight loss is not high on my priority list. On the flip side, I'm committed to my clients and my financial planning career, so my to-do list became a non-negotiable. This realization helped me to understand why some of us might find it hard to build an entrepreneurial career. Perhaps it is like my weight loss journey. It might not be at the top of our priority list. I'm sure if one day looking slim becomes a must-have feature in my life, finding the discipline and consistency to work out and watch my diet will produce a very different set of results. Likewise, I'm sure if we make a decision to make developing our careers a non-negotiable, we will also take the necessary actionable steps required. So if we are far off from our goals, perhaps we should take a time out and reflect on whether these goals matter enough to us. Looking inwards has made my life easier and helped me understand myself better. I hope by sharing this story, it will help you get unstuck too.